Okay, so maybe are you going to stay at home?
Yes.
Oh, at home? Alright, how about the next?
What did you do yesterday? I have my
Okay, what did you do last night? Yes, what did you do last
I
night?
was sleeping.
Oh, okay, sleeping. Okay, you just slept last night.
What I like fruit, vegetables, seafood, pizza,
Wow, okay.
and Japan
Japanese food.
Japanese food.
Okay.
How many will be on the Philippines?
Okay, how many months will
Months?
you stay?
3 months.
3 months.
How many months?
Yes, will you stay in the Philippines?
Нет, как долго вы будете в
Ah,
Филиппинах?
how so much?
My question is how many you this in Philippines? Как сказать?
Days?
Days.
Like stay in the Philippines?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, how many days?
Yes.
It's okay. How many days will you stay in the Philippines?
How many days?
Yes, days. D-A-Y-S.
No. How many days
Will you?
will you?
Yes, will you stay in the Philippines?
I stay 18 days.
18 days. Okay. Alright, so that's very specific. Okay. So, yeah, your next question?